Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is going to be a really exciting video. We are in Qatar. Right now I'm actually in my garden, walking, doing this intro. But I know a lot of people have got a lot of questions about the World Cup in Qatar. Hopefully this video today is going to show you a little bit of what's going on there right now. But if you do have any questions that you want me to ask the people in the know, in Qatar itself, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. It can be about the stadiums, it can be about construction and what's going on with workers. I've been told that I'm going to have access to people that can give me some really good inside information so that you guys, people watching this video, know a lot more about how the World Cup is going to be ran and what is being done in the lead up to 2022. I know it's 4 years away, but things are going really fast out there right now, and I'd love to give you guys the answers you want. So leave your questions, almost leave your answers, leave your questions in the comments down below and enjoy this video. It's a fun one. See you at the end. Alright then, this is our hotel room. Gonna start it a little bit unconventionally, walking towards the front door from the hallway. There's the front door. This is an awesome little office area. We're staying at the W Hotel here in Doha. There is a toilet in there with a little wash shower. Got this cool little minibar area here. Kettle, coffee machine, ice bucket, glasses, all that stuff. Watching Finland versus Italy. Not really sure what's going on there. We'll turn that off. TV. Cool little hangout area in the suite. Checkers board. This cool little hammock here, which overlooks, well, actually, I'll show you this properly, but this is where I've been working instead of the office. That's where I keep my cameras. Load of stuff there. Here's our bedroom. Bed. Tilda is wearing something very nice. Leopard print. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. We have an amazing view of Qatar, Doha. Such a sick room. Tamam. So we're all geared up. We're going to go and give a little helping hand in terms of showing what's going on here, as opposed to getting our hands dirty and muddy and bricks and all that stuff. It's not really my forte, but we're going to film it anyway. We're going to see exactly what's going on in the stadium. We're going to go to pitch level and see exactly where the players are going to be walking out in 2022. It's very exciting.
Itself is a 40,000 seat stadium, and after the World Cup in Legacy Road it gets stripped down to 20,000. So. After a while, I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
One thing I will say, my dad will be very proud of me. He always said that I belonged on the building site with him. Not quite in Qatar, I don't think he planned that. I thought he meant like with him in Berkshire, England, but this is a little bit different. It's quite crazy to think how this stadium could potentially host a quarter-final game in 4 years' time, and obviously right now we're here when it's still stones and steel and cranes and everything else. Very, very cool. It's very, very cool to be here. I don't think there's been many people that have actually managed to step foot in a stadium like this in a World Cup before it's actually built. We can see this right from the ground, and in 4 years' time when we're all sat watching it on our TVs or hopefully here, it's going to be a great story.
It's going to be finished 2 years before the start of the tournament, which is pretty mental considering most countries have got a last minute scramble to get it done. 40,000, the workers are working hard, it's 40 plus degrees, so it's a hard slog for them. It's coming together nicely. It should be finished in a few months, and we'll be back here in 2022 to watch Northern Ireland win the World Cup.
This is the VIP one.
Guys, look at that. This is so three different crystals.
So this is called Souk Waqif. What are you doing, Salim? How are you?
Burning.
In the sun?
45 degree and
changing my card.
Don't say I don't always pick people's best moments to film when I introduce you to people. We're in the Souk Waqif market. It's the middle of the day. It's a little bit warm, but this is going to be another place that people are going to be able to check out to be able to come and barter for things. So if you want to go to one of these markets, all the prices are negotiable. And if you're going to come to the World Cup in 2022, this is definitely going to be somewhere you're going to want to check out.
I'm waiting the World Cup final match under the 45 degrees.
How long left?
Filming. We have 4 hours.
Who's going to win?
France.
You think?
But I want Croatia.
I think France are going to win.
Yeah.
I think they're going to win 3-1. We're going for lunch now. Where are we going? Do you know?
I don't know.
They've left
here,
us.
They're here.
Okay.
Is anybody walking there?
We've lost everyone, officially. The village. Snoop, pussycat. You want some lunch? All right. See what I can do. Shukran. We're going on a jet ski. Alright guys, it is time to go onto the sand dunes. Absolutely love doing stuff like this, going into the deserts. See a couple of camels in the distance, it's going to be cool. They're letting the tyres down on the cars right now so that they can go on the sand and all the dunes and stuff. This is going to be fun. Hey Tilda.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
Good, yes.
Do you have travel insurance? Sorry? Do you have travel insurance?
I don't speak English.
Yalla habibi, yalla, yalla.
But 2-1.
I think 3-2 France at the end.
2-2 and penalties.
To who?
Croatia.
Oh wow. It's 2-1 France, half time. Croatia have come out in the second half very good, just the way they did against England as well. This is like a little fun area where they've actually got English commentary as well in the fan zone. So we're going to watch the second half in English. Where has everybody gone? Check this guy out. Yes, mate.
Today in the Croatia. Treyway.
My man. Oh, you got a friend.
Very good.
Which is preparing to party. after Bastille Day. They probably haven't cleared up the Champs-Élysées from last night.
To be fair,
And they may be half an hour away.
it was a
from
good
going
finish,
again.
but the pass to Mbappe before pass of the tournament, that was unreal. Well, there's still 90 seconds to go, but I think we should congratulate France. They've been very, very good. World champions. I think we can see the team that they didn't even take with them could have got to like a World Cup quarter semi-final, and those are the players that didn't even get in the squad. The job done, they're world champions, nothing to say about it. Mandzukic own goals, Griezmann, Pogba and Mbappe. Well done Croatia. Wow. France. It's a video.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been a fun video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like rating and I'll catch you tomorrow. Make sure you got notifications on. See you later. Bye-bye.